Ceiling fans are a must-have home appliance for our Texas summers. Did you know that if you set your ceiling fan rotation to counterclockwise to push cool air down to the floor, that the cool air evaporates perspiration and creates what's called a wind chill effect? It can actually make you feel up to 8 degrees cooler without affecting the room temperature. This allows you to set your thermostat at higher temperatures without forfeiting comfort. If you'll invest some time and effort testing and working on what ceiling fan settings and speeds feels best, you can save up to 40% on your cooling expense. Also, making sure that your HVAC equipment is cleaned, tuned, and able to handle the grueling Texas heat is very important too. To do that, all you need to do is call the pros, the air repair pros. If you're having a current air conditioning problem, we'll do a complete diagnostic service to determine exactly what your issue is for only $37. And if you want us to fix it, then your service fee is free. Why, you ask? Because we don't think you should have to pay twice. So, to enjoy your Texas summer, call the pros, the air repair pros. You'll be glad you did, I promise.